Hello everyone, this is Ene here, and today I'll teach you how to draw the Google Chrome logo in GIMP. So first we go to File, New, and we create a new document, and we give it 2000 by 2000 pixels, background white. And then we add some guides to it. So we go to Image Guide, Guide by percent, we add horizontal, and then vertical guides. Alright, so now once we have the guides, then we can create a new layer and call it Blue Circle, and fill it with transparency. Then we can pick the blue color that we are going to use, so it's going to be this one. So you can write it so that you can, if you want to follow along with me. And we click OK. And then we go back to our composition. We take the ellipse tool. We set it as expand from center and fix aspect ratio 1:1. And we expand it from the middle of the composition, and we give it as a size 600 by 600 pixels. And then we go right click, edit, fill with foreground color, and then Ctrl+Shift+A to unselect. And then we swap the foreground and background color, and we create a new layer, and we call it white circle. And then we take the ellipse tool again, and from the middle of the composition we draw a new circle of 750 pixels. And then edit, fill with foreground color again. So the new layer must be below the first one. And then we create once again a new layer, and we call it red circle. So now we are going to draw the outer part. So we pick the red color, so it's this one. And then we are going to draw once again a circle. We put it below the white circle, and we take the ellipse tool. And we draw a circle of 1000 by 1000 pixels. And then once again, edit, fill with foreground color. And then Ctrl+Shift+A to unselect. Alright, so now we need to draw the other colors of this outer circle. So in order to do that, we need to set a guide. So we take a guide, and we need to put it right here at the outer extremity of the white circle. And here we must set the tool option to pick a layer or guide. And we position it right here. Alright, so now once we have it, we create a new layer and we call it line. So we're going to draw a small black line here. So we set the foreground color to black, and we take the paths tool. And we start right here, where the guide intersects the white circle to here, to the outer extremity of the red circle. And then we go edit, stroke path, and we stroke it with a 1 pixel path. And then we go to layer, crop the content. Alright, so now once we have it, we can duplicate it because we are going to need the second one. And we take the rotate tool, we set the rotation center at 1000 by 1000 pixels, so in the very middle of the composition, and the angle 120 degrees, and we rotate it. And now once we have rotated, we can remove the guide that we used. And then we create a new layer, and we call it yellow area. And now we can pick the yellow color with the color pickle tool. So it's this one if you want to write it. Alright, so now we take the paths tool. So we are going to draw the area that we are going to fill with yellow. So we start here at the intersection of the line that we created with the white circle to here. Must go outside, so be careful for the line to be straight. And then we go like this outside the circle, and then here at the outer extremity of the second line to here. So we must be careful that it is straight. And then we go like that inside, and then Control to close the path, and then click Enter, and then edit, fill with foreground color. So now we have the yellow area. Ctrl-Shift-A to unselect. So now we need to remove the outer part. So I will show you how to do that. So we go to the red circle, we go Alpha to selection, and then Ctrl-I to invert. And then we go to the yellow area and we hit delete to remove it. And now we can hide the two lines because we're not going to need them anymore. And we can duplicate the yellow area. And then we can rotate it by 120 degrees with the rotation in the middle of the composition. Alright, now we can pick the green color. So it's this one. And then now we go to the yellow area and we go Alpha to selection. And we create a new layer and we call it green area. And we click OK. So in our new layer, the green area. So we right click and we go fill with foreground color, Ctrl-Shift-A to unselect. And we can delete the yellow area copy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!